How to create multiple phantom wallets. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily create various types of phantom wallets into your phantom wallet account. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. In order to do this, you first need to launch your phantom wallet mobile application. Over here you will be able to see your account 1 in the top. If you tap on this top arrow button, you will be landed on this your accounts page where you will be able to see your account 1. This is basically your first account. Now here, in order to create multiple account, you need to tap on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see various types of options that would help you to create your accounts on Phantom Wallet. Here you can either create a new account or you can even connect your hardware wallet with it. If you want to recover your account with the recovery phrase, then you can select the third option. You can even import your account with the private key, and you can even do it with the help of the watch address option. So here, in order to create a new account, you need to tap on create account, and then it will ask you to provide your account name. Here by default it will give you the account to number, but here you just have to enter the account name, and then you need to tap on the create button. After tapping on create, now you will notice that it has redirected me in my second account. If I tap on this top arrow button this time, you will be say that I have two accounts. If you want to add more, then you need to again tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner, and you just have to select any of these options and create your account. So this way you will be able to create multiple accounts on Phantom Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.